If you have ever wanted to start selling digital products online but felt overwhelmed, this video is for you. You don't need to be a content creator or a designer, just someone willing to learn and take action. In this video, I will share digital products that you can actually create with the help of ChatGPT and start selling them online while working your 9-to-5 job, while raising a family, or while building your dream on the side. It won't happen overnight, but it's real, it's doable, and it's how many people are starting their first online income stream today.
Rockstar Club, that's the place to be. Level up your life, come and grow with me. Mindset strong, we rise, we move.
Welcome back to the Rockstar Academy. It's good to be here again, knowing everything that's happening on YouTube. If you're subscribed to my private membership community, and I'm popping up here on screen how you can join, and the link is also in the description. I want to thank you for your support, and that's now where I'm posting all my videos. That said, I'm extremely excited about this topic because it's kind of taking you out of the box from a thought process perspective. Let's dive into the different products that I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to help you create and sell online. Now, the first product is an interactive ebook, and I shared a video recently about an interactive kids book. This is not a kid's book. That's the biggest difference. This ebook that I'm showing you here was created using the method that I'm about to share in this video. Now, ebooks are good digital products because they're still among the top consumed digital formats for learning and leisure. And with ChatGPT, you can actually build informative or entertaining books for almost any niche. Now, to get started, we will need an ebook title or a topic idea. So let's go ahead and prompt ChatGPT for a title. Give me 5 original and engaging interactive ebook title ideas inspired by current Amazon and Etsy bestsellers. Titles should be short, attention-grabbing, emotionally appealing, and hint at transformation or value. Include a mix of creative, list style, and action-driven titles. Make them suitable for printable or fillable book formats. Now, we're going to get some best-selling ebook titles as I'm showing you here on screen. And what we're going to do next is we're going to use this prompt that I'm showing you here on screen. It's a bit long, so I'm not going to read through the entire prompt, but this is the prompt that's going to give you your ebook in its entirety. And it starts with write a highly engaging and entertaining 15 to 20,000 word ebook. Then you're going to insert your title, and then as I'm showing you here on screen, the rest of the prompt is there to give us exactly what we're looking for. And what I'm gonna do is I'll share this prompt and all the prompts that I'm using in the description of this video. So feel free to copy the prompt. You can modify it to make it yours and then paste it into ChatGPT to get the outcome that you're looking for. And right here in the prompt where it says insert title, we're going to copy the title that we got earlier from ChatGPT and we're going to paste it right here. Now, this next step, Rockstars, it's critical. On ChatGPT, we're going to select tools and we're going to select run deep research and then hit go. Deep research is a functionality of ChatGPT that will allow real-time online research of related platforms on the particular subject matter that you're creating this book for. It's like hiring a group of researchers to go out there and validate the content or enhance the content that you're using for your ebook. Now, after clicking deep research, you're going to be prompted, as I'm showing you here on screen, to answer a few questions. And what I like to do is copy the questions, paste them in the prompt box on ChatGPT, and then respond to each of them so that there's no confusion. And then I hit go. Now, how you respond to these questions is actually one way to differentiate the book that you're going to get from all the other people who are watching this video and are going to use it as a guide to create their book. Personalizing the prompt as well is another way to differentiate your output. Now, after you hit go, deep research will take a few minutes to do all the research for your book. So while we're waiting for deep research, let's talk about where we will sell these digital products. A great option is to sell them on your own website, as I do with my digital products that I'm showing you here. This is actually going to help you to build credibility, because what you're going to find is that people will take you a lot more seriously when you have your own website with your own domain. And I have got a great hack for you rock stars, because I'll show you how to get a domain for an entire year for just 99 cents. And of course, this is as opposed to spending in some cases as much as $20 or even more to secure a domain. I have partnered with .online to give you a professional web address for just 99 cents for, like I said earlier, the entire year. I've placed a link in the description of this video. It's going to be the link at the top of the fold. And after clicking the link, it will take you directly to the page where you can secure your own domain, and you can type it as I'm doing here on screen to see if it's available. And important, when you're checking out, make sure you use code ODETA. Otherwise, you're going to pay the full price for the domain and not the 99 cents for the entire year. And listen, rockstars, you may be worried that your .online website will not be as discoverable as a .com website. Well, here's the thing. Search engines actually treat .online domains just like they do .com domains. So it will not hurt your SEO or your search engine optimization. In fact, it can actually boost your branding by making your domain keyword rich and relevant, especially if you include your niche in the actual name for your domain. An example like Go Digital with Odetta.online, Fitness Presentation.online, or Personalized Workouts.online, or Ebook Fitness Guide.online. Very rich from a SEO perspective. Now that your domain is secure, let's build the website where you're gonna sell your digital products using your .online domain. And we're gonna use Wix to build our website. And I've placed a link in the description of this video. You can go ahead and click on it and then select Create New Site. And when you're asked what kind of website you want to create, ensure that you select or type online store. The AI on Wix will then ask you some pertinent questions, such as what you'll be selling, what your brand name is, and based on your responses, it will actually automatically create a fully functional website layout ready for you to edit. And just like that, rockstars, you've got a working website. When your digital product is ready, and as you know, we're waiting right now because our digital ebook is being generated by ChatGPT, but whenever it's ready, and we're dropping it, of course, on your website that you created, you're then gonna add a short description, set your price, and you're set to go. Now, rockstars, our ebook is ready from ChatGPT Deep Research, and this is what it looks like. As you can see here, it's very detailed. It's laid out professionally with an introduction. It has chapter headings and subtitles. And as you read through it, just take a look at what I'm showing you here on screen. You're gonna realize that ChatGPT Deep Research did a pretty good job writing your book. Just take a look at these headings, these subheadings, and how focused this book is on the title that we selected. All that said, I still recommend that you personalize your book with your own knowledge and experience if you have it where applicable. And here's a quick tip to do that. You can just type up what you want to add to your book, and then you take what you typed up and you just say to ChatGPT, proofread this for me. And it will edit the grammar, the spelling, and everything in what you wrote up, and then you copy it and insert it in the book that ChatGPT generated. And you can use Microsoft Word if you're familiar with it, or Google Docs to lay out your book and to make the changes where necessary. Now, as you can see here, we did not get a table of content for our book. So we're just going to ask ChatGPT to give us a table of content, and you can ask for it in graphical form or otherwise with this prompt here on screen. To get it graphically, you will need to select image here on ChatGPT and ask for a graphical table of content, and you'll get something that looks like this. The great thing about using Google Docs or Microsoft Word is it can take a graphical layout or a table like your table of contents by just inserting it. And if you wanted to make your entire book layout more graphical, I shared a video on my other YouTube channel, and I'm going to link it in the description below, on how you can use a tool like Canva and its great templates to lay out your ebook to make it sparkle. Now that your ebook is ready, it's time to create your book cover by first asking ChatGPT to give us cover text for our book title, as I'm doing here. Now, your cover text is sometimes different from your title because your title is often a little bit more detailed. On the cover, you want something that's attention grabbing, so it needs to have just a few words. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna go ahead and use ChatGPT to actually generate the book cover. And we're gonna use this prompt that I'm showing you here on screen. And what you're gonna do is just insert the cover text that you just got from ChatGPT, as I'm showing you here on screen, right here where it says your book title. Now you'll realize that this prompt has a particular color for your book cover. Feel free to change it as you see fit to something that you like. And then we're gonna hit generate, and you can modify and regenerate as many times until you get a cover that you like. I actually like this particular one. It's really up to you. You can tweak the colors in your prompt and any specifics based on your own preferences. Now, we're gonna need a book mock-up for our marketing. So what we're gonna do is we're also gonna get that from ChatGPT. Now, keep in mind when you're generating the prompt for your book cover, you'll notice that I selected image from the menu here on ChatGPT. So make sure you do that. Now, the mock-up will be a 3D looking version of your book. And I'm just going to prompt ChatGPT to create a 3D mock-up for my book. And voila, this is the result. Again, you can regenerate until you get one that you're happy with. For the back cover of your book, you can use the prompt that we use to create the front cover and modify it for the back cover, which should be simpler. Or you can actually ask ChatGPT, as I'm doing here, to give you a prompt to generate an image for the back cover of your book. Enter it into ChatGPT, select image, and you're gonna get a cover as I'm showing you here. Now, you can use the free version of ChatGPT to do a lot of what I've just shared, but you're gonna need the paid version to get very deep research and to also use the image functionality. And the subscription is $20 per month. Now, rockstars, books do not sell themselves. You're gonna need to learn to market and sell your book. And I have linked in the description of this video a free Google digital marketing course. It's called Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. And in this course, you're gonna learn the basics, of course, of digital marketing, including creating an online presence, driving traffic, and converting visitors into actual sales. Now, the second product that we're gonna create with the help of ChatGPT is a personalized workout plan. And for this product, I'm using it as an example to show you how to create things like this, so then you can modify it to create recipes or other similar style digital products. Now, a workout plan works because personalized fitness content is in demand, especially when it's accessible and easy to follow in a digital format. Now, like we did earlier, we're going to prompt ChatGPT, and I'm placing the prompt here on screen because it's a little bit long, but it's going to basically generate a tailored workout for whoever it is that you're creating this plan for. Now, as you can see here in the prompt, there's a space for you to enter the goals. I'm going to enter fat loss, and here I'm going to enter beginner as the fitness level into the prompt, and then I'm going to hit go on ChatGPT. Now, for this example, we're not going to use deep research. We just want an outline so that it's more palatable and not too overwhelming for the person who is trying to use this fitness guide to hopefully lose some weight. And this is what our personalized workout plan looks like, Rockstars. There are people out there buying these online and paying good money for them. As an example, there's MadFit, which is a YouTuber, and what she does is she creates custom digital workout plans based on YouTube workouts. She sells this on her personal website, and then she uses it to monetize her free video with paid fitness bundles. That person will, after watching the video, click the link and purchase on her website. So basically, she's leveraging her audience, and then she's repackaging free content into a structured paid plan, because the video is free, but the workout plan will come at a cost. If creating this kind of plan interests you, you can niche down and create workouts for busy moms or postpartum fitness. Now, Rockstars, remember, AI is a tool. The real magic actually happens when you bring creativity and strategy to the table, which is why I recommend that you insert some of you in whatever it is that you're creating. Enjoy the creation process, and until next time, walk good.
Mindset strong, we rise, we move. Big dreams, now we got nothing to prove. We learn, we win, we light that flame.